So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to view weekly progress on Facebook. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the home page of your Facebook account, and you should have to tap on your profile, which is available on the top left corner of your screen. Now you will find dashboard available on the bottom of your screen, so tap on it. Then you can see on the first option weekly progress, so tap on it. Now see, from here you can see your weekly progress by tapping on weekly progress and see. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.